Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you, products I recommend for the VAB sale. So it's a great time to pick up some products, whether you're trying to just restock on some favorites, or you're looking to try out something new, or even something you've had your eye on for a while. These are just a few of my recommendations. So let's get started. First thing I recommend for palettes is anything by Anastasia. They're always really pigmented, which I absolutely love. The Sub Couture palette is really nice because it still has a range of colors. I always love playing with like a pop of color on the eyes. So if you're someone that doesn't really like the huge bright colors but still want a little bit of color, this palette's gonna be really good for you. But any one of these palettes, absolutely recommend. If you're someone that does like playing with a little bit more color, I do recommend the Huda Beauty palettes. This is the neon one. I've absolutely worn this to death. I use this all the time. I find it absolutely beautiful. I love playing with yellow eyeshadow. I think it just makes my blue eyes pop. Next product that I have is a highlighter from the Becca Cosmetics line. Absolute favorite. This is the Champagne Pop. Absolutely beautiful. A staple. This has got to be my favorite product. If there's one product of all of Sephora that I could recommend, this is the Lineage sleep masks. I have these ones here. I love them so much that I even picked them up. And the favorite one though, gummy bear one. I want it. I want them all. Another staple to always pick up is a beauty blender, but always recommend picking up a new one. It's the Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's line, and this is a liquid highlighter in Mesmerize. They call them the liquid luminizer. Got some hair products for you, so anything by the Olaplex line I absolutely recommend. I love just about all of it. There's a couple products I haven't tried yet, but I'd say if there's any two that you need, I would probably go with, okay, I can't pick two. I have three. Probably be these three here. The Olaplex N6, the Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream. I do notice that a little goes a long way. You just need a little. Olaplex N3 repairs, strengthens all hair types. Basically like a hair mask. Absolutely love it. The whole line smells really nice. These all smell like super fruity, which I love. Olaplex N7, which is the bonding oil. So if I do have to pick one out of the whole line, I'd recommend picking up this guy here. I've gone through like, I think 3 in the last 3 months. I basically use a bottle a month. I put it on all the time. My hair's looking a little frizzy. I'll put this in my hair. It makes it shiny without greasy, which I love. It makes my hair smells good, but I also notice that when I put that oil in my hair, it's not just like for 2 seconds, that it's actually making my hair less frizzy. It also works as a heat protectant, so when I notice that I'm curling a few pieces, the curls actually do stay better. The last hair product I have for you though is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Dandruff Relief. The last few products I do have to recommend to you today: concealer. Canada finally got the Tarte Shape Tape, which I freaked out about, and I ran right away, picked one up. It's just a classic. I absolutely love it. I do love that it's a little bit more full coverage. I wanted to try the Eyelash mascara. I absolutely love this, mostly for the wand. It kind of has 2 sides. One side's a little bit thicker and the other side's a little bit smaller. That lasts throughout the day, but I will say the only con that you have with it is if you like rub your eye or your eyes are really watery, maybe you have like a tear in your face, the mascara does come off, like smudges really easily, so I'd just be careful for that. So I hope you liked my recommendation. Comment down below any of your recommendations. Give this video a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you.